Hi, my name is Lekgogola, owner of Lement Company Pty Ltd. We deal with wool. I got motivated to start this business because I realized that as youth or as people, we spend a lot of time on our phones. So I realized, why not cut on the phone a little bit and use my hand skills to do the knitting that I'm doing. Lement offers products that cover all seasons. We need bum shorts for kids, we need hats for adults, berets for society, mothers. We also need blankets in your winter. So it offers, it's unseasonal. You can use my products in any season that you want. I encourage people to use my services or my products because I add an innovative aspect to it where you can even add your own touch to it. You just tell me what you are looking for and I can design it for you and take it out as it is. Okay. You can get hold of me through 079 0505 984. Hi, my name is Lekgogola and I'm a township entrepreneur.